Byron Bay? Well, technically we're 10 minutes south of Byron Bay at a place called Broken Head, and we're actually staying at a caravan park this time. So something a little bit different, but the caravan park is called Broken Head Caravan Park. No surprises there. For those that didn't know, Meg is actually pregnant and the baby is due in 4 weeks. So she's doing all the hard work and I just get to relax. So we thought we'd come along here as a bit of a baby moon 2.0, we could say. We actually went to New Zealand. Or maybe, let me do a quick New Zealand montage. So New Zealand was fantastic, and we thought, hey, we got a couple of days, Meg's finished work, she's on maternity leave, let's head down somewhere not too far, so if something was to happen, we could race back home and have the baby. But hey, we'll come here, we've got the caravan, the Hilux is currently broken, unfortunately it doesn't have any 4-wheel drive, and it's probably not best just to drive it in 2-wheel drive, so luckily enough, I've got the BT50 from Mum and Dad. So look, who knows what this vlog is going to entail, but I know it's going to be relaxing. We'll show you a few spots of Byron Bay. Hope you enjoy it.
Welcome to our humble abode for the next 2 days. Oh, that's where my lip balm. Alright, so I'll give you a tour of our camper van. It is a Jayco Penguin and it has our bed over here. There's like a little kitchenette here with the sink and we've got plenty of drawer space. We have our oven and fridge, and then there's a cute little dining area just here for 2 people. So that will be, if I can squeeze my pregnant belly through, we will eat here. Yeah, we cannot wait to just relax and unwind before Bub arrives.
This isn't actually ours. I wish, and one day we will get one. But this is actually Meg's parents. So my mum and dad-in-law, Meg's mum and dad, this is their Jayco, and they are very kind to let us borrow it for the next, well, 3 days, 2 nights. We really are glamping as well because we've got a powered side. So that means we can charge our laptops, phones, drones, easy, and we don't have to worry. It is night 1 and it is raining and cold. So we're gonna go into Byron, grab some dinner, grab some supplies, and we'll see you in the morning. Cooking inside the van this morning, so we just got a little bit of pancakes, a bit of mashed banana, which I don't think anybody that I know apart from my family like mashed banana, not even Meg. She has her Nutella on her pancakes, but we'll cook that up and eat it. And I don't know, what's the plan for today, babe?
I'm not too sure. We're kind of just, you know, taking the day as it comes.
A lot of relaxing.
Yes.
It's a little bit windy today, so I'm going to get the grasshoppers out and put them on before we leave, just to make sure the awning doesn't fly away. Just like that, I'm pretty sure. These are the grasshoppers. They basically just hold the awning down just so they're like anti-flaps really. So the company's just called Grasshopper, I believe. One side done. These are the easiest to install. You just need a bit of a step ladder. And apart from that, we'll be able to leave this awning up in cyclones. Maybe not cyclones, but it's pretty good. At least we can go away, well, go to Lennox for the day,
and know that we come back and it's all in one piece.
Also, we ran out of gas, so I'm going to fill the gas bottle up.
So we have arrived at, I think it is called Pat Morton Lookout. I probably have that completely wrong. But we've arrived in Lennox Heads. We're going to go outside, have a little look at the incredible views that are here. The town is so sweet, and I think I would move there. It is adorable. A lot of stairs.
Just got to another little headland, and this one is called Boulder Beach. So there's a couple of surfers going out, even though there's not too much happening. Very windy day, so hopefully you can hear us. But hey, Lennox Head, this whole eastern coastline is just gorgeous. We've got our two little guys, one there, one there. We just went to Ballina as well. We got the gas bottle refilled, so I'll be able to change that when we get back to camp. And now it's raining, so we thought we're gonna go back. It's 3 in the afternoon and we haven't even had some lunch, so we'll probably cook some snacks, maybe a little afternoon nap, watch a little bit of Netflix. Doesn't get much more relaxing. Well, the gas bottle is replaced, so that means we can cook dinner tonight. Well, just got back from a little surf. Today is a beautiful day. It's nice and warm. The water, it actually wasn't too bad. I mean, I am wearing a full wetty, but I haven't been surfing in so long, so it was epic. I think I'm going to go have a quick warm shower, get out of this wetsuit, and then we're probably going to go into Byron today. Meg wants to do a little bit of shopping, window shopping I hope, and then we might go to the point and grab some lunch, but should be a beautiful day. We just went into Byron, went to a whole bunch of shops, and then we've got some fish and chips. Well, we got some chips as a little snack. So we just drove to the point, which is Boulder Beach, and it is unreal. It's also one of the ways that you can go up to the lighthouse. Last time we were in Byron, we went up to the lighthouse, but there are far too many stairs for Meg this time, so we're going to give that a miss. But we're going to find a little spot on Boulder and eat our chips. It is our last morning, so we've just woken up and we're about to pack down the caravan. Now, prices. So this, we stayed 3 nights, 4 days for a powered site for the van was I think $120. I'll pop up on the screen if I'm wrong. So $120 for 3 nights. I think that's pretty good value for money. And given the location and how close it is to the beach, I think that you've done all right.
Professional.
Absolutely. That brings us to the end of this episode, and appreciate you watching. Look, it was probably a little bit of a different one, very stop and start, very choppy. The focus definitely wasn't on filming, but it was just having a nice, relaxing time. We didn't get up to a whole lot, but it was still a great holiday and a great destination, and hopefully it made you want to get outside and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, give it a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.